Jacob asked how to do a cell swipe transition, like this one. So I've set it up, and I'll show you how I did it. So I exported these three screens from Sketch using our Sketch plugin, and this represents all three states of the prototype that I'm trying to make here. So don't think of this all as happening within one screen, but you need three screens that represent all the states. Now I'll select this middle cell here, and when I do a swipe, I want it to bring me over to this screen. So I'll create a new link it to this screen, and I'm going to choose the right swipe and make a new transition. Here in the transition designer, anytime you're making a transition that appears like it happens within one screen, you're going to want to align the screens. So instead of having this screen animate in, you're going to drag it right on top and center it exactly on top of the other one. Now there's no animation happening, but I'm going to drag this layer over here so that it's centered like this, and it looks exactly like the beginning of the transition, and then it will animate back to where it is at the end. So that'll do it. I'm going to need a way to get back though, so I'm going to select this layer here on the good screen and press the B key on my keyboard to quickly create a backlink. And I'll use a left swipe to activate that. So I've got a left swipe that'll go back to this screen. And I'm going to try this out in the preview to make sure it works. Left swipe to get to the good screen. Now I'm on that screen, and swipe with that backlink to get back here. So it looks all like one screen, but I'm really transitioning between two different screens. All right, so now let's set it up for the other direction. So I'm going to add a gesture, left swipe this time. Target will be the bad screen. Create a new transition, align the screens, move this layer over, test it out. That looks right. Create a backlink here, pressing the B key, right swipe, and that should do it. Now I notice there's a little, you can see some gray area here, so I'm going to go in and just select the background of this cell, move it over. I messed that up a little bit. Go back to my preview. That looks better. Now there is a more advanced way to do this that's faster and a little bit more flexible. You could do the whole thing with one transition if you use the connected layers feature. I'll be creating a tutorial for that soon.